Howdy. Let's do this again and put the N47 head on the F54 flat top block and, well, I guess cue the intro. Ta-da! Straight, fresh L6 block. All lower end was done by the machine shop, so I don't have to do anything there. Put that there for now. I'm gonna need that later. And yeah, it's got a 6-degree slant, but you know. All right, let's start with cleaning, shall we? For cleaning here, all I'm using is just some basic denatured alcohol and some coffee filters. The fibers of the coffee filters won't mess with the engine. They'll burn up and go away before the engine even gets warm. And the denatured alcohol is to get all that grime and grease out of there. And let's blow it out. Why am I doing this again? Because when I was blowing the air through, rust just came up out of the block. So, why not do it again? Do it until it's perfect. Alright, that isn't the motto here, but better than good enough needs to be done. There is no just send it. I don't want to do this job again in 6 months or 6 years on this car, so why not do a good job the first time around, so there is no second time around. And it's not going to hurt me to clean all this up again. Just takes time. And I seem to have that in spades on this project. Some engine oil that I just happen to have, 5W30, in the cylinders, just so I can turn it up and down without worrying about scarring the cylinders, and hopefully it'll catch any leftover dust and dirt. have everything clean, let's put that head on this block. Really big pliers, where a little bit of skill comes in. Just squeeze together and drop it in the hole. Squeeze it a little more and drop it in the hole. And that's it. That's how you get the alignment dowels in. Alright, now we got our engine at top dead center. I got the dowels in. Now let's just put the head gasket on. Should be pretty straightforward. Your oil marks only go one way, which are, if you're looking at the front of it, would be the passenger side, because there's only 1-2 oil passages to drip down. So put those on, and that's it. Next step, pick up the big ass head and lift it on. So let's get rid of this for right now. All right. Here we go. The head should also be at top dead center. And you should set it on the alignment dowels. I'm off. Oh, I'm way off. Yeah. Way off. So, let's grab a short head bolt. Once you get it close, put it in. Won't go in. There we go. Put it in. And because you'll be up a little bit on one side or the other, just lift. And it settles. Yep, there we go. Here's a little bit of voiceover to go with the bad camera angle. What you can't see is that I'm actually putting in the head bolts and hand tightening them to get the head to sit flush against the gasket, to sit flush against the block. Nothing else, no tools involved except an extension just to run the bolts down a little bit. And that was putting the N47 head on the F54 block. Point of note, use the head gasket that matches your block. Don't use the one that matches your head or you can run into problems. I still need to set the valve timing. I still need to check the wipe pattern on the rockers. And I think my only roadblock there is I'm waiting for the degree wheel, which should be here next Saturday at the latest. Fingers crossed, hopeful, so I can actually degree the camshaft. And that's all I got for this episode. Thank you.